Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for an easy way to grow your audience and keep your readers engaged, then you're definitely in the right place. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to add an email subscription feature to your WordPress site using Mailchimp. By the end of this video, you'll know how to give your visitors a quick and simple way to join your mailing list, so you can start building those valuable relationships and sharing updates, news, or promotions, all right from your website. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to sign into your WordPress account. So head on over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your home base, the control panel where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website. If you're not already familiar with this area, take a moment to get comfortable. Everything from posts and pages to plugins and settings happens here. It might seem a little intimidating at first, but remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Now, once you're logged in and looking at the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find a menu with several options. Go ahead and click on Plugins. Plugins are like little apps or add-ons for your website. They give you new features without having to write a single line of code. Think of plugins as the tools in a digital toolbox that help your site do more things, just like adding a pop-up, a contact form, or in this case, an email sign-up option. Alright, now that you're in the plugins section, you'll see a search bar in the upper right corner. This is where you can find all sorts of plugins for WordPress. Type Mailchimp into that search bar. Mailchimp is a super popular email marketing service. It's powerful, user-friendly, and integrates smoothly with WordPress. It's like having a professional assistant for your email list. It manages subscribers, automates emails, and lets you design beautiful campaigns without stress. You'll probably see a few options come up, but look for the official one, usually called Mailchimp for WordPress by Ibericode. It should be towards the top of the list. Once you found it, click the Install Now button. This part might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. If nothing seems to happen right away, don't worry, sometimes WordPress takes a second or two to get things going. When installation finishes, just look for the blue Activate button. Give that a click and you're halfway there. Activating a plugin basically turns it on for your site, like flipping a switch, so your new subscription feature is ready for setup. If you get stuck or see any errors during this process, don't panic. Sometimes WordPress plugins might ask you to update something, or you might get a little warning about compatibility. 9 times out of 10, a quick update will solve it, but if not, you can always double-check for plugin updates or visit the support forums for help. Once the Mailchimp plugin is active, you'll set it up by connecting your Mailchimp account, which you'll need to create if you haven't yet, and then you can start customizing your email forms, deciding where you want them to appear on your site and what information you want to collect. And that's all there is to it. You now have an email subscription box on your WordPress site powered by Mailchimp. It's a simple step that can have a huge impact, helping you stay connected with your audience, drive return visits, and build your brand over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you and I do my best to reply. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future how-to guides, tips, and tricks for your website. Thanks for watching and good luck building your list.